Hello again, Rebecca here. Now we are going to go through the Vicki Boutin. I don't remember what collection this was. I'm sure we'll figure it out. Color Study or Story or something like that. So this is the first that I put together. So this is a very blue kit. So some of them I did actually use a little bit of. So like the Color Rush, I was having a hard time. So I'm mixing it with or not Color Rush. So I'm mixing Sweet Rush and Color Study together. Maybe this is Color Study. I don't really know what's going on. So I've even spelled out my title. So we've got Fran Amback will be the title. Those are the 12 by 12 sheets. Here are my 6 by 8 sheets. I've just pulled in one whole sticker sheet. We've got some of fun little things in there. This is me and Franny on our drive up there. So a lot of fun little titles. Like I said, I'm gonna be honest, we're gonna be able to make so many different layouts with these, but it's gonna pare it down for me, and that's what really is helpful. Instead of having this entire collection literally in its entirety, I have just, I can make a few page kits off of each one. I can make a few pages off of each page kit, or sometimes, as you'll see, like this is the first one, so I stuck a lot of stuff in there. But then you'll notice as we get to I made 10 kits off of this entire collection. So you'll see as it gets to the end, it's like, okay, it's less and less and less and less and less. So for this one, I went with that plum color, right? And let's just start bringing on over all the stuff. So it was kind of like I grabbed the pinks and the plummy colors and just all this real fun stuff. So some of it may not work with the photo, and it will be in here because I did grab photos as well. It's just fun. I didn't really feel like creating like actual layouts that day. So you just get in here and then I do a couple of these and then I feel inspired, so I create a layout and then I kind of putz around. But the goal is to get the Vicki Boutin and Paige Evans stuff used up because I've got it. I don't actually even think any of these have been touched. So this is the first night of She Loves Color. We went to the melting pot and it was so much fun. So that's the second. And we're still good on time. Just making sure that I don't crazily take too long. And all I did was take like a little post-it and just stick it on there. So this is going to be yellow. Now this one, 3 pieces of paper, right? So there's all the stickers. As you can see, all this is not going to be able to go on a layout. It's just not. I mean, I can make a whole more is more, but I'm not more is more. I've tried that. It doesn't really work. I feel like it looks really clustered and crazy, and here's all of these orange tones. Each one did get 3, so I can make shaker pockets if I want. But I'll just grab some other paper because I am sure that with some of these collections, I'm going to have leftover papers and all kinds of fun stuff. So more from the melting pot. Dessert was our favorite part. So like this one, I can get, we have quite a bit of pictures. So that's probably going to be like a double page, which I don't really like to do. So when I say double page, I mean 2 singles because I don't really like making double pages. I'm a single page gal. Oh, we're about to lose that. So that's 3. We're going to go through 2 more for this video. So do you guys like making page kits? I think I've asked, but obviously I'm just making these all in a row. So this is more of our neutral tones. Again, all kinds of fun things. So when I got this was ripped in the collection. So we'll make that as like a little tucker inner or something. And we've got those 2 neutrals. Some glasses, I don't know. I was just pulling all of the neutral tone stuff out. How do you guys make kits? Like, do you... I was going to try to film it, but you guys, it does take quite a bit of time. So, we got scissors because we're crafty gals. Again, I put more than normal on the photos, simply because I can stretch 3 sheets of paper because there's a lot of embellishments. So I just added a few extra photos. And yeah, I probably should have saved all Vicky's stuff because she's, I think, an instructor for 2024. She loves color. And then I think we're going back for 2025 because it's She Loves Color's 10-year anniversary. And then I don't know if I'll go again. As much fun as I have, I don't know. I'm very limited on what I can and cannot do as far as like work and stuff. So there's a green collection. And as you can see, these are just going to be really, really fun layouts. So obviously all of the green stuff has been grabbed and some black. So this one's going to be a fun layout to do. Little paintbrush. What do we got? Little arrows. So I'm actually going to make some page kits in a minute. And then this was the group sitting there. Minus Jamie, because I'm pretty sure Jamie's taking the picture. That was the night before we became soul sisters. Alright, you guys, so there are the first 5 kits with this collection. Thank you so much for watching. Leave me comments and all the fun things down below. And I'll see you later. Bye.